What's up, guys? We is running read with me for a demon's dream. If you know, you know. If you know, you know, you know, you know, you know. We're gonna wait a little while so people hop in here. If people hop in here, we don't know yet. This is our first official real live one, even though we've been dropping lives for the last 2 months for read with me. Anyways, you guys, we're gonna hop on the read with me live today, so you guys can hold me accountable for getting this book finished. I need to finish this book at least. I need to finish 25 more percent of this book by today so that I can finish the other 25% by tomorrow before 12 o'clock because that's when this book club meeting is taking off. Everybody hashtag the princess of my city reads, and we're gonna get ready to hop right into this book. This is a smoke and read with me. So what we'll be doing on the side is doing our thing. Other than that, we is on chapter 52 of this book. If you read this book, please drop a goat in the comments down below because this dude demon, he gotta be a Capricorn. He gotta be a Capricorn. Ain't no other thing that he could be besides a Capricorn because you feel me? He gotta be a Capricorn. So we're getting ready to read. We're reading Demon's Dream or whatever. And